Hello friends, this is Savita Shinde, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. First, I welcome you all to my channel, Sharing Knowledge of Agriculture. In today's session, we are going to learn about farming system, scope, importance and concept. So let us start our today's topic. First we see some concepts. First is farm. Farm is organized economic unit in which crop and animal production is carried out with purpose of producing economic net returns. Then farming is the process of harnessing solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal products, and system implies a set of interrelated practices or processes organized into a functional entity. Next concept is system. A system is defined as a set of elements or components that are interrelated and interacting among themselves. What is farming systems? Farming system is a resource management strategy to achieve economic and sustained production to meet diverse requirements to farm household while preserving resources base and maintaining a high level environmental quality. In these images, you can see the different enterprises of farming system. So it is an appropriate combination of farm enterprises like cropping system, livestock, fisheries, forestry, poultry, and different another means which are available to raise their profitability. With the environment without dislocating the ecological and socio-economic balance on one hand and attempt to meet the national goals on other hand. Regarding scope of farming system, the Indian economy is predominantly rural and agriculture oriented. In agriculture sector, about 85% of the holdings are less than 2 hectares, and the declining trends in the average size of the farmers' holdings poses a serious problem. Majority of them are dry lands, which depends on basically erratic monsoon rains. The rest of the area is cultivated with supplemental irrigation. The farmers' concentration mainly on crop production, which is invariably subjected to a high degree of uncertainty, income and employment also. In India, the cultivable land is about 143.8 million hectares, and there is very little possibility of extending in further. Therefore, to meet the requirement of food grains for increasing population, the only option is through time and effective space utilization in agriculture. Under scope of farming system, if we see regarding sustainability, so sustainability is the objective utilization of input without impairing the quality of environment with which it interacts. Therefore, it is clear that farming system is the process in which sustainability of production is the main objective. The overall objective is to evolve technologically feasible and economically viable farming system models by integrating cropping with allied enterprises, which includes livestock, poultry, fishery, sericulture, etc. When combining two or more enterprises with cropping system are carefully chosen, that are well planned and executed, which gives greater dividends than a single enterprise, especially for small and marginal farmers. Let us see the importance of farming system. Farming system enhances productivity and profitability. It also maintains the potentiality or sustainability. A balanced food production is possible with the farming system. Then adoption of new technologies is included under farming system. It also saves energy, meeting fodder crisis, solving fuel and timber requirement. It provides environmental safety. Recycling of farm waste can be done under farming system. It provides income round the year. It helps in employment generation and also provides raw materials to agro industries. Now, what is concept of farming system? Different farming enterprises includes crops, dairying, poultry, fishery, sericulture, piggery, and tree crops. A combination of one or more enterprises with cropping, when carefully chosen, planned, and executed, that gives greater dividends than a single enterprise, especially for small and marginal farmers. Farm as an unit is to be considered and planned for effective irrigation of the enterprises to be combined with crop production activity such that the end products and waste of one enterprise are utilized effectively as inputs in other enterprise. We can get it through examples. For example, the waste of dairying like dung, urine, refuse, etc. So whatever waste we get from dairying that are used in preparation of farmyard manure or compost, and that is serves as an input in cropping system. So these are correlated to each other. Likewise, in case of straw which are obtained from crops like maize, rice, sorghum, that straw is used as a fodder for dairy cattle. Further, in sericulture, the leaves of mulberry crop are used as a feeding material for silkworms. Then, in case of grains from maize crop, that are used as a feed in poultry. So friends, this is regarding farming system, scope of farming system, importance of farming system and concept of farming system. I hope you all like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.